Maintenance metrics. Maintenance metrics provide insights into the daily operations of your facility, offering a detailed view of how people and assets function. They serve as a valuable tool to gauge the effects of these activities on the overall objectives of your maintenance department. By having these metrics, you can quickly identify areas of strength, areas needing improvement, and potential opportunities. These metrics offer a clearer understanding of how routine tasks contribute to larger goals, enabling better control and enhancement of maintenance operations.